Another good day God has given us. Today we have a million appointments with doctors at SMC hospital and one with the dentist. I broke one of the braces over there at the back. The spring popped out. So now I still have an appointment at 4:30. Now 10:45. Right now it's about 10:41. We should have an appointment with Dr. Aladdin to check how the costochondritis, the inflammation on the rib cage, is doing. And then after that we'll have another appointment at 12, and then Dr. Rim at 4:30, and another doctor at 6. Alright, let's find out. Let's go. I'll talk to you as the day progresses. How are you doing today? Same. Alright, first station, hospital. Now it's 10:57. Let's go before our session is cancelled. Bro, oh man, it's too hot today. We are already at 38 degrees, but the car shows 41 degrees. Okay, let's cool down, then I'll speak to you. So I have done the first appointment at the cardiologist, done. But unfortunately, the Holter devices, the one that they give to their patients to carry home and monitor their heart rate for 24 hours, are no longer available. Why? I think they have less, because now they've given all of them out until end of Eid al-Adha. That means we have to wait until the end of this month. Hopefully my heart stays put, honestly, until then. Then from there we went and saw the orthopedic, Dr. Aladdin, for the inflammation on the chest. And I can say we are doing better, but he has given me more supplements, omega-3, and I don't know what we call it, curcumin from turmeric, and some few painkillers. I've also been given what do we call this thing for the heart by the cardiologist? I don't know, bro. I don't know how to say that name. But it's meant to slow the heart down. Let me read it for you. Propranolol, 10 milligrams here. So this one, I should take it as needed if I have an emergency or if my heart starts pounding. So from here, we'll go home, brush my teeth, and then by 3 p.m. we'll start our journey to go to the dentist place, because I broke the wire here, so we have to repair it. So that's it. So I was hungry. I ate some few things here: milk, banana, and bread. Brown bread, not brown bread. Please forgive me. I'm on the road and I have to take care of my body. See you when you see me. Bro, this speaker is banging. Alright, time for the dentist. It's 3:34. Our appointment is 4 p.m. Initially it was 4:30, but I changed it to 4 p.m. yeah, instead of waiting. But here we have traffic. Yeah, it's 4 p.m. in Riyadh. You know what it is. Full time traffic. Everyone is trying to head somewhere, most likely from work. Today our fuel, honestly, for the last 3 days I've been up and down. I've used it. See, we have a range of 174. Remember the last time we fueled, we had a range of 522 kilometers. So that tells you I've been moving, really moving, and not just moving. I've been using the AC a lot. You know, AC consumes fuel too. All right, so let's just wait and let's see what the dentist does for us. Alright, here we go. More traffic lights, man. Told you, here in Riyadh the major challenge in commuting is heavy traffic jam, especially in the hours of 3 p.m. to around 6 p.m. I don't know whether it's 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. but 4 p.m. is peak. Everyone is going home. The kids are going home. I don't know. People are going to the gym. It is what it is, man. 4 p.m. is peak traffic hour. So we had an estimated arrival time of 3:45, but now it has changed to 3:56. So 1 minute out, less than half a kilometer, and then we'll be there at the dentist place. It's on this side, so we need to take a U-turn right here. So I don't know how long these traffic lights take before, see this intersection, before everything's, let's say this side they are given an opportunity to come this way, then I think next should be that other side over there, and that side for the vehicles heading this way, and the left side, and then now we have our side. How long does it take, or how does the traffic lights, let me say lights, how do they know how much time to allocate each section of the road? Let me know. Okay, let's go to the dentist. Done with the dentist, everything repaired very fast. Now I don't know where to go, but I'm feeling hungry. I need to eat before we go into panic. This body, as I told you, if I don't eat or if I allow hunger to disturb me, we go into full panic mode. I don't know why, man. My nervous system is still hyper vigilant. I have here with me some milk, bread, and a banana. So I'm gonna go find a nice spot, eat, and then we'll see what we can do for the rest of the evening. Alright, come with me. So here we are. I can see an old car covered over here. Here we have an old Lincoln. I wish, man, I could get this ride here. See, now I'm renting. I wish I had such an old ride. No problem, I can manage. It's a beautiful estate. Yeah, so let's sit here, have some milk, banana, and bread. It's like we are back in high school, bro. Quick fast. No, I'm not gonna do a mukbang. I'm not gonna let you watch me eat. So I'll take my moment and scroll on Instagram or TikTok as I eat, and then from here I'll figure out where to go once my stomach is full. I might even take a nap here, who knows. Eating done. Now let's go. You have Kingdom Center over there. I don't know whether you can see it. Somewhere here in the trees. Let's go to SMC Hospital parking lot. More traffic everywhere. I told you, Riyadh at this time is crazy, bro. Crazy time. Man, I just had to pause my music to show you this Jaguar here. Let me see if I can zoom. Oh yeah, bro, look at this Jaguar. Looks like a fucking Range Rover. A mutant of a Range Rover and a Porsche Cayenne. There you go. It's a beautiful one. And we have I think that's a Japanese restaurant. It's called Drip. And bro, that motherfucker out there is dripping. Look. That motherfucker got the aura. And we have a GMC truck over there. See? Tell you what, being on the road is really amazing for me. And stress relieving. Let me here and zoom. Let's see one quick fast. Oh yeah, there you go. Stress relieving than stay in my accommodation. Honestly, the accommodation there feels like a cave. I am losing money by being on the road, by hiring this car, using it on a daily, but I tell you, mentally, I am the most stable when I am in this car. Won't lie to you. So I think we're gonna keep it. Sometimes you have to do some things. I mean, it is what it is, man. That's what Gen Z says. Good people, tell you what, man, I forgot we had another appointment with a neurologist just to make sure everything is alright in my brain. Now here we are at Kingdom Tower parking lot already. I'm thinking of going to get some protein up here. Okay, so I need to go eat protein first, and then after that, bro, you missed the appointment. It's supposed to be in the next what time is this? Right now it's 5:40. The appointment is at 6 p.m. So I thought we were done for the day. That's why I came here to get the protein. What am I gonna do? Should we skip the appointment? Okay, let's skip it. Let's go eat entirely, because today honestly I'm feeling really nice. Alhamdulillah, thank God. So let's go eat. Again, it is what it is. So here we have some butter chicken. This is what we call these nuts. Is it almonds or walnuts? I think these are walnuts, bro. These are cupcake, gluten free. We have some probiotics here. This yogurt with some herbs. So yeah, this is all I'm having. I said this is butter chicken. Then after that, go home. There is my boy. We came here to check the washer fluid. The oil is good, and then now the air filter, and then it's done. Change. Let's change. Yes. So we have to change the AC filter, bro, because every time I'm in this car we have Bismillah something dust. Another night. I can't move my hand today. The nurse got me on my dominant hand, the right one. So now I cannot text. I'm using my left hand, but I'm feeling good. Honestly, I'm in the ER, but I'm feeling good. Nothing much. This is just hydration. Alhamdulillah, everything is alright. Yeah, you have to stay hydrated. You remember. I'm very hungry. I want to go home, eat, and then sleep. My sleep has been poorest in the last 2 days. So wish me all the best. Enjoy your life. Please, if you're feeling sick, go to the hospital. Don't be like me. Keep the fight. Stay strong.